Hello Firebirds, I'm Elijah Ford. I'm here with PK Hoppy bringing you today's GP News from the library. Today is December 11th, 2019.
Today for lunch we're having chicken tenders, winter grams, chilled garden peas, and clementine oranges.
In sports news, both of our boys and girls teams won against West Wing. And now we have Mandarin announcements with Ava and Mariana.
现在是中文早晨播报时间。大家好，我叫吴瑞娜，我是8年级的学生。Hello, my name is Mariana. I am an 8th grade student.
大家好，我叫葛夫人，我是8年级的学生。Hello, my name is Ava. I'm an 8th grade student.
今天是2019年12月11日，星期三。Today is Wednesday, December 11th, 2019.
今天天气是晴朗，最高气温63度，最低气温44度。Today's weather is mostly sunny. The highest temperature is 63 degrees and the lowest temperature is 44 degrees.
我们这周学期的中文词是 Our weekly phrases 行程表 schedule.
我把行程表丢了。I lost the schedule.
今天的中文早晨播报到此结束，谢谢大家。This is the end of our today's morning announcements in Chinese. Thank you.
In other GP news, tonight is Gavilan Peak PTO's restaurant night at Panda Express. Dine in or carry out, but be sure to mention Gavilan Peak, and a portion of the proceeds will be donated back to our school. Teachers, remember that you eat free, so encourage your class to join you at Panda Express tonight. Here's the joke of the day. What kind of tea do football players avoid? Penalty.
That's all we have for announcements today. Have a whimsical Wednesday.
This is PK Hoppy and Elijah Ford signing off for GP News.